Blessed Saturday, you guys. Blessed Saturday. My name is Michelle King. It is an honor to be here. I will have to just tell you how it all began. Left here in 1997 to pursue nursing in the suburbs of Chicago. I just returned to Peoria 8 years ago because I told God that's what I wanted to do because I knew there was work that needed to be done here. And this is what has brought me here. I'm so glad to have met Miss Patty Yost online through another co-worker of mine, and this is just full circle for me. So I've been trying to make it to the market for the last 8 years as well. Today is the first day. I could definitely jump on the bandwagon when it comes to this initiative to know that there are physicians that care about the people, not just the animals, but the people, and how a plant-based diet could further give us the health that, for some of us, or most of us, the health that we are looking for. When I went into nursing, I went into it so that I can help people, and I just wanted to have that natural approach, which is through diet, exercise, limiting alcohol, and watching your weight. This is something that I do every single day, so it was not hard for me to join Patty with this initiative. So you need to take your own life in your own hands. No one has control of you but you. It is up to you what you do with your 24 hours in a day. It is up to you what you decide to put in your mouth. None of us will be perfect, but we do know that plants and vegetables have been kissed by the sun. They have amazing colors. It is the rainbow, and we need to ingest and use that on our behalf. Will we be perfect? No, we will not. But you got to try each and every day. So I am an outpatient surgical nurse, so PACU, phase 1, phase 2, and I have had the opportunity to take care of women that have come in with, breast cancer and having to have multiple surgeries just to, just make the breast appear to be natural again. And so I've seen the pain in the eyes. I've treated the pain with medication. And that's another reason why I am here today. It is dire, it is important, and we must push this initiative like never before. The time is now. Yeah. God bless you all. Again, thank you for listening.